Morning! I'm up early today. Want to get a little of this metal cut because again, we have to run some errands today. 4 reasons, again. So before we do, I want to get as far as I can and start cutting some of this scrap metal I have. I'm going to put 3 different types of shelving on here. You'll see. I want to get some of it cut first though. All right, there's the bottom shelf. I'm gonna get it welded on. And on second thought, instead of welding this on there, I'm gonna use this as a pattern to make the second shelf. And I think I'm gonna make the second shelf out of expanded metal. Plate steel on the bottom, expanded metal on the second shelf, and then diamond plate on the top. If I have the material, I'll have to go look. I think I do. I'll just have to make a lot of cutting. And as fate would have it, I have a piece of expanded metal. It's not quite 12 inches wide like it should be, but it doesn't matter because we got the overlay here. So it should work out just right. Although when I'm in town today, I think I'll stop by and look for more scraps. Pickings are getting slim. Now we can tack it down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tack it down on the top and then flip it over and then hit it real good from underneath so there's not a bunch of welds showing on the top and less I have to grind out, let's just say. Okay, so I guess this is what you call stapling. I just stapled it down across the bottom. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, if I can't punch it through with my fist, then it's indestructible. Deer hunters are out in full force tonight, boys. Can't punch through with my hand, so that must mean it's strong. Okay, I cut this piece longer, or I should say wider. It's the same length, but I cut it just a skosh wider for the top, because I want to be able to get underneath the front and the back of it to weld. See, just like that. Just a skosh overhang on the front and back. Heck yeah! So we got 3 different types of shelves. We got the plain, the expanded metal, and the diamond plate on top, which makes it badass. Heck yeah, it does. Alright, I cleaned this piece of steel up best I could. And that's going to be the top. So we'll just roll this out on top of it, right? Heck yeah. But while we got it upside down like this, we'll do some cleanup welds. Okay, we've reached this stage. This is the basic shelf. We have the 3 different types. Of, I don't know what you call it, stuff to put your crap on, right? 3 different types. We got the expanded steel, diamond plate, the plain, which I like. Now what I'm going to do is I need to touch up a bunch of welds along here because I just kind of tacked it instead of welding it solid. So I need to do that. I'm going to put some trim on it. I mean, it looks good the way it is, but I want to put some trim on it. Some kind of trim to make it stand out even more. I'm not quite sure yet what, but it'll be badass. We'll put a chain around the top to match our other things. Well, we got to put our Bigfoots in here. Our Bigfoot, our Sasquatch decoration. I'll show you what that's going to be in a little bit. Okay, candy's quite not ready yet, so I'm going to go ahead and continue with the project, and I'm going to put the chain where it's supposed to go, which is around the top. Just about got this welded. I have some loose ends I need to tie up here. I want to put some corner angle iron, some real thin angle iron around the corners here to dress it up. Yeah, buddy. I'm back from running some errands, so it's cold. It's winter. Winter's here. I'm gonna have to turn the heater up. But I'm glad I went because I was able to pick up some more scrap metal. And I didn't have any little. I only had a little bit of this. I don't know what you'd call it. Fence. Looks kind of like a fence, but it's not. Anyway, it doesn't matter what it is. This is what I put on my last project that you guys saw. My 9-episode project. Yeah, that's the one. And so I couldn't believe my luck when I found this, because it's going to help my theme. This is going to go on the back. You know, so when you put something in, it don't fall through, right? I don't know, probably, yeah. Okay. But it's gonna match. It's gonna match good. So I'm gonna go outside and cut this. And I'll see you when I get back. And here's our back. The nice part about doing things like this is when you get toward the end, you see that it's done right. I'm not preaching, believe me. Let me give you an example. Because too often, because I'm working, I'm gonna blame it on this. I'm always working on warp, like my welding table's warped, because it was the first thing I ever made in my life, you know? But it does okay. My floor's not exactly flat. A lot of times I won't get everything perfectly square, so I get a little paranoid about that. But you can see I put this piece of fencing down on the back of this SASQUATCH shelf, and it's square. There's nothing to cut off, or, you know, there's nothing to fake to make it look square. It just is. You know, that's kind of a big deal to me. I mean, as you know, I've been doing all right lately, but it's nice when a project comes together. It's the simple things, you know, they make me happy, I should say. Getting there. Getting there. Okay, I traced out another piece. I'm going to put another piece on each side. I didn't have enough angle iron, so this will work. That's okay, this will work. Plus, we need to save our angle iron for awesome future projects, right? Okay, we got this side on. One left. I'm making it look like it's all one piece, just kind of bent over. Okay, we got the other side done. Here's what I mean. I just welded these together from the front and the back, so it looks like it's all one piece wrapped around, and I took a grinder, smoothed them out. Yep, and there it is. There's the SASQUATCH. Ah, yeah, buddy. One on each side. See, he's giving the bird. Perfect. Heck, guys, I'm not sure if I'll finish this for this video. There might be another one. putting stuff away now. I really thought I would finish this today, but it's not happening. Everything takes longer than you thought, right? But we're more than 3/4 of the way finished, so there'll be one more video. Exciting as that sounds. I still have a lot of ideas. Okay, I don't remember where I was. I lost my place. And I was just gibbering away. I completely lost my place because I saw something, one of my chain links my welds had busted loose when I laid it down. Can't have that. These things got to be indestructible. So right in the middle of mid-sentence, I stopped what I was doing and I welded it because I re-welded it because if I didn't do it right then and there, right then, I'd have forgot. Yeah, so I went in, so I lost my place. Anyway, I'm not going to finish this. Not today, but I'm pleased with it. I just love Sasquatch giving the bird. I don't know why. I just think that's cool. You really can't really see it, I guess, because it's all kind of like one color. Maybe that's a good thing, huh? I don't know. Might have to paint that a different color. It's in a position to where I can, too. But I like the way the back and everything came out, because it all looks like one piece that was bent around. In actuality, it's just welded, 3 pieces welded together. Nice and sturdy. I still need to put the casters on it. I got a few designs I want to put in it still, if you can believe that. That's true. I still have a few designs I want to put in it. It's unique the way it is. But hey, you know what? It could be uniquer. Is that a word, uniquer? Anyway, we'll for sure finish this in the next episode, don't you think? See you then. And just so you know, today was 50% off green tag sale day. Yeah, at a local secondhand store. So, I got some Christmas decorations. Yeah, all of these for $4. Yeah, I'll have to put these up. I'll make a whole video about this, huh? Yeah, you know why I got this, right?